Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and calibrate the FLIR thermal camera. In order to do it, find My FLIR app, which is your thermal camera app, then select then allow it to take pictures and record video while using the app. You can also allow it to access devices location, so it'll mark the location on the photo, so you'll know. Like in metadata, it won't be shown on the photo, but later in your gallery, it'll be shown that the photo was taken there and there. Then you can also allow it to record audio if you want to record videos, to access photos and videos on this device, of course, because we want it to be able to save. And then, as you can see, we have our camera here. It is not yet calibrated, so we'll get to the calibration in just a little moment. As you can see, it does work, but it is sort of offset. I'll show you that. As you can see, when I have taken a picture, there is the outline taken by the normal camera, and there is the temperature. So like this is offset, and you'll need to calibrate it in order to be able to actually use it. So basically you can calibrate it automatically by first pointing your camera at a certain heat source, then clicking on this button in the top right corner and holding your phone for a little moment. Now it should be calibrated, and it is still a little misaligned sometimes when you're recording something that is close to the phone, because if it's further away, then it works really good, but it'll just be like that. If it gets too worse after some time, then you may want to go to settings right here, then Image Realignment Utility, take a picture of something, and then realign it. But as you can see, it's not that helpful for me. I mean, it is a little bit. Let's try saving it, and let's see if that helped. It did help just a little bit, but this is normal. What you're seeing right now, like this, it is normal. It would be not more abnormal if it would be a bigger gap. Then the last thing is that you can change the color, for example. So instead of iron, which is like the most basic, I think, you can set it to lava, arctic, or whatever. And basically you can set it to whatever you need here, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.